Hello everyone, today I will be doing an origami tutorial. This one is a little less complicated than the flower, and it's a simple heart. So we'll start like we always do for origami with a square piece of paper, and we'll start with two simple folds in half both ways. So fold it in half one way, crease it really well, then you can unfold it and fold it in half the other way. Once you have that fold, unfold it again, and at this point, you're going to fold the bottom half up to the middle. So in this case, this bottom half will be in fourths or quarters when you're done creasing it. So at this point, we have the paper folded in half and the bottom folded up to the center. From here, you're going to turn the paper over and then fold up to the center line from each bottom corner. So this bottom corner will go up so that it's in line with this middle line here. Crease it there. So it should look like this. And then you'll do the same thing with the other corner. So bring that corner up right along the center line in the middle and crease it there. So it should look like this now. From here, you'll turn it over again. So we're back on this side, and a very similar thing, we'll take the top corner and fold it to the middle right along the center line as well. So we'll do that. Crease it, and it should look like this with this little flap right along that middle crease there, and then again on the other side. So it looks like this. So you folded it right along the center crease, and it's creased down. So now with these two little flaps here, keep them down, and again we're going to start in the top corner and fold that down to the middle crease. So right along the line down the center on both sides again. So then you'll have a little flap here, and we'll do that again. Fold it right down towards the middle, like that, and crease it. So now it should look somewhat like this. Now it doesn't look like a heart yet, but we're super close to the end, so very soon it will. So on this next step, we still have these new flaps here. You're going to take the very tip and fold it down and line it up with this bottom point. So we'll put the points together, and it'll be like that if you just hold it, so it looks a little funny. But if you crease it, so you might have to stick your finger, turn it to the side, stick your finger in there and push it up a little bit. Maybe go to the other side, stick your finger in and push it up a little bit, and then you're going to flatten it. So make a nice crease, but then these parts are still popping up a little bit. So now we're going to have to crease those. So all you need to do is take your finger, put it in the middle of these two little shapes here, and push it down. So this little flap right here, you're going to just push it down. And now it already looks somewhat like a heart. The now very easy last step is to make it look more like a heart. So you take the corners and just add a little fold on each one. And there you go. You have your little origami heart. And then if you want to, you can write a little message on the inside because you have these little two flaps here. So you can hide a secret message and then give it to somebody. And that's all, pretty easy, little origami hearts.